There were times in life when doubts prevail. There were times in life when fears assail. There were times in life we feel so frail. These are the times we need